Hello, everybody. How are you doing today? A few people have asked what's going on with the Bitcoin, the father of all the cryptos, and then we are here making a video just for you. It's a pleasure having you here again in the channel, CSA Forex. If you are new to the YouTube channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. If you have any specific question or you'd like to see any specific video, do let us know and then we will prepare that for you as well. So we are looking at the Bitcoin from the higher time frame, from the daily time frame perspective, and we are going to be discussing briefly what is happening and what our expectations are, right? So if you have a look in front of us, right, on the chart, you notice that first of all, the market has stalled. The market seems to be moving sideways. And then we have this triangle, this wedge that has built up here. So why did the market build up here? Why did we have this consolidation here? Because you need to ask yourself questions. And then, by the way, the market for this year has been bullish, right? For this year, 2023 has been bullish and has gotten to these highs of about 31K. And this would be a double top. So you can see from these highs, right, which was earlier in April, and then where it is now, right, this is now clearly a double top and it seems to be struggling here. When price gets to an area of interest, which happens to be support or resistance, or you could also say supply or demand, right? Support is to demand and resistance is to supply. So now prices at this area over here. The next question is bounce or break, meaning that is it going to bounce from this area and drop, or is it going to break and smash to the top side, right? Because for now, the price has been moving sideways for a few days now. I believe approximately 3 weeks now. And as price has been doing this, you need to ask yourself some questions and then find out how you can tag along for the ride. Meaning that if it's going to bounce, you try to follow through, and it's going to break out, smash out, and you try to follow through at the end of the day. As a trader, it's always best for you to be a follower. You wait for the market to act and then you react. So from this area where the price is now, right? And with the range, also take note that based on this Fibonacci that we have drawn over here, it is clearly at the 61.8 key Fibonacci retracement level. And this 61.8 is also where we have a key supply zone over here, where the market dropped from that point. So this key supply, coupled with the 61.8 Fib retracement level, right, gives confidence and confluence to sellers in order for them to look for short opportunities here. So this might just be where the sellers take charge and then take it. Who knows? Ideally, you would like to see it go all the way back to the lows based on the fib that has been drawn, right? But who knows what price has in store, right? The only thing we could do is wait for the market to see how it reacts and then we follow through. It might break out to the upside, showing more of the bullish presence. And if that happens, wait for that former supply, former resistance to now act as support, demand, and then push higher the more. So who knows what's going to happen? Nobody really does. You could have an idea based on your analysis and all, but at the same time, you wait for the market to act and then you react. And then, of course, you protect your account accordingly by using the proper volume, the proper lot size, and then also managing your trades appropriately as well. You should always have a rule book, you should always have your plan before you enter any trade so that you know how to manage it at the end of the day. Traders are entering trades and they don't know how to manage it. They could easily have a profit turn into a loser, and that is even worse, right? Or they could have a loser straight off the bat, and then they allow that loser, that loss to turn into a bigger one and then into a bigger one until they do much damage to their account. So here is just a quick one that we have talked about, the Bitcoin, the father of all the cryptos from the daily time frame perspective. And then this will give us a clearer, much clearer view of what's happening, and the market so far is stuck in this triangle. You prefer a breakout of the triangle and then a pullback of the same triangle to get in, whether it's on the longs or it's on the shorts. There are different plays that you can, jump in on here, whether as a buyer or as a seller. It's just for you to understand what you're looking out for. Okay, so with that said, I want to say thank you. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. Drop a question, a comment in the comment section, and then I'll get back to you in good time. If this video helped you to understand price, helps you to understand the Bitcoin, helps you to understand how to trade from a professional point of view, if it was helpful, give it a thumbs up, and then of course, anything you need, let us know. In the description section as well, you could always reach out to us and then we can have a further conversation, find out what issues you might be having in trading, and we'll see how we can help you out. Thank you guys. It's a new week. Make sure you trade safely and protect your account accordingly. I enjoy the rest of the day and the rest of the week. Goodbye for now. Cheers.